nakakabalik. Kailangan ko yung magagaling niyo kung hindi niya akin ang kaya. Salamat po.
Igo lang akong pasalamatan na sa mga Diyos na kumiro kasi nagabay sa mga buhay na talagang kung wala siya, wala itong pagtitimong siguro ito. Kaya sobra ang kaugmangan ko dahil yaong ko lalo na mga akin na talagang mauot na magkasarot ni Raray kami. Maski niya ang sinda, kung ang Diyos dahil umiro asin dahil itinulugan sa muyang mga buhay ay maginibo kundi umiro ang Diyos para talagang ang sino man pinagkaisa ng Diyos ay hindi pwedeng paghiwalay ng tao. Purihin ang Panginoon.
Pwede po kayong tumayo. Well, Elsa, ngayong araw na ito ay muli ninyong sinaliwa, pinatatag ang mga pangakong inyong binitawan noong araw ng inyong kasal. Sinibuli ito ng inyong muling paghahawak ng kamay sa araw na ito, ng muling panunumpa at ng seremonyas na ginanap sa araw na ito. Isang kaligayahan na aming pinatapos na ang seremonya nito. Ang muling pagpapatibay ng sinumpaang pangako noong araw ng inyong kasal na siyang habang buhay na magtatay sa inyo bilang mag-asawa. Bilang tanda ng inyong wagas sa pagmamahalan, kayo'y pagpalain ng Diyos na buhay habang kayo'y nabubuhay. Mga minamahal, ating pong bigyan ng malakas na palakpakan ang mag-asawa, Romy at Elsa. At sa pagkakataon nito, mga kapatid, mga minamahal, pwede mo nang kaligay sila. Pagpapalain mo natin ang Panginoon at salamat sa lahat po ng support. Church mates, thank you so much.
I've been a walking heartache, I've made a mess of me. The person that I've been lately ain't who I wanna be. But you stay here right beside me, watch as the storm blows through, and I need you. 'Cause God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt, and for when I think I lost my way, there are no words here left to say it's true. God gave
From the moment I saw you, from the moment I looked into your eyes, there was something about you. I knew that you were once in a lifetime, a treasure near impossible to find. And I know how lucky I am to have you, 'cause I've seen rainbows that could take your breath away, the beauty of the setting sun that ends a perfect day. And when it comes to shooting stars, I've seen a few, but I've never seen anything as beautiful as you. In my arms, no one else has fit so perfectly. I could dance forever with you, with you. And at the stroke of midnight, please forgive me if I can't let go, 'cause I never dreamed I'd find a Cinderella of my own. I've seen rainbows that could take your breath away. From the moment I saw you, from the moment I looked into your eyes.
What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I never have this feeling in my heart.
How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to heaven home.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. I wanted someone like you, someone that I could hold on to and give my love until the end of time.
But forever was just a word,
Just a word.
something not only heard about, but now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I'll believe. Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be.
With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to heaven home.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to
I'll be everything in this world. All that I'll ever need is in your eyes, shining at me. When you smile, I can feel all my passion unfolding. Your hand brushes mine, and 1,000 sensations seduce me, 'cause I do cherish you for the rest of my life. You don't have to think twice. I will love you still from the depths of my soul. It's beyond my control. I've waited so long to say this to you. If you're asking, do I love you this much? I do. In my world before you, I lived outside my emotions, didn't know where I was going, till that day I found you. How you opened my life to a new paradise. In a world torn by change, still with all my heart, till my dying day, I do cherish you for the rest of my life. You don't have to think twice. I will love you still from the depths of my soul. It's beyond my control. I've waited so long to say this to you. If you're asking, do I love you this much? I do.